When you look at the world of today, when you see China's rise, the wars in Iran and Ukraine, Trump in the United States, is there a big economic picture that you think mainstream narratives are missing?
Oh, there's too many pictures to if to how many pictures do you want? You can fill them. You can fill the Louvre with the pictures that are being missed by the mainstream. But the fundamental one that I come down to is the ignorance that mainstream economists in particular have about the role of energy in production. So that's absolutely crucial. They have no idea of the impact of losing the supply of the fuels coming out of the Strait of Hormuz. And they also have basically no concept of production in general. So they don't realize that there are other products coming out of the Strait that without them, 20% of manufacturing processes in capitalism can no longer occur. So it's actually ignorance of the production system that lies, I think, both behind the war itself, because anybody who understood the production system would never have made that invasion in the first place, and just ignorance about the consequences of losing both the energy supplies and the fertilizer and sulfuric acid and helium and the lubricating oils that all come out of that one particular part of the planet. So I just see complete ignorance in most of the mainstream media commentary on what's going on in the war.